How to create old vintage picture like Dreamscape in Adobe Photoshop for free. Once you have your image, you want to go under Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Now if you don't have this here, then you need to go under to Image, Mode, and change this to RGB color and then 8-bit. And if you don't have that option, then basically you need to go to your picture, right click, and click Rasterize or Convert to Smart Object. Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and then copies these settings here on the screen. Again, you can mess with these settings, but I'll leave a screenshot up here of the settings. Just copy that and then click OK. Okay, the next step is you want to go under to Filter and then Noise. We're going to add some noise. And then right here, you can copy this. I like 12% under Gaussian, but again, you can change it under Uniform. Actually, let's do and then click OK. The next step is to go down under here, click a circle icon next to the camera, click Gradient Map, and this should pop up right here. If you don't have this, click that, and then find it where it says under Grace, and then click OK. Alright, and then now we want to click this, and we want to overlay it, and again, you can mess around with the opacity or the fill. That's 0. Say that's 10%. These just makes your image look a little bit gray or old school. Okay, the next thing is you want to go under to Google Vintage Retro Paper Template. Choose one of the images and you can save it. Basically you want to drag it into Photoshop like that. And then again, under normal, you can do overlay. You can do linear burn. I'm going to actually mess with linear burn. I like that. Then we can mess with the fill. So that's 10, 20, 30. I also added a second vintage retro picture on top of the image. And again, I'll do the same thing, except this time I'll make this to overlay. Go back to fill. 10, 20. I kind of like that. And this is the before. And this is the after. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel to see more.